And breaking news, one more video that has been accessed by Republic. This shows you how the Taliban has taken over all the military aircrafts given to the Afghan army by the US. In this video that you are looking at on your screens now, we can see at least 15 to 20 US-made choppers and planes that are, again, remember, currently in the possession of the Taliban. Sanika also getting us more details of this entire video. You know, Sanika, not the very first time that you're looking at a video like this that again tells you the real firepower with the Taliban. But you know, the problem is that a lot of them are also the Black Hawk helicopters. A lot of them actually are used in war purposes, extremely sophisticated weapons. Can the US at least tell us why did they leave all these weapons for the Taliban?
Describing this video that we have with us. This is a video, though we are not very sure about the location. At least 15 to 20 airplanes and choppers of the Afghan army as well as the US base can be seen in this video. Now, in the last 2 weeks, in fact, we've seen several such videos of Taliban terrorists taking charge of US, Afghan, and NATO choppers. Though we are unsure if Taliban has trained pilots to operate them. And what is even astonishing is that Taliban, in fact, right now is in custody of the second largest fleet of Black Hawk choppers outside of the United States of America. Now, these are just this is just the figures, Deepti, that we're getting for our viewers. In fact, as per certain reports, the Afghan Air Force was operating 167 aircraft, including attack helicopters and planes, by the end of June. And now, according to a report by the US-based Special Inspector General, these were the planes that were usable aircraft in Afghanistan as of 30th June. There were MD-530 helicopters, C-208 and AC-208 planes, UH-60 Black Hawk, A-29 light attack plane, Mi-17 helicopters, C-130 Hercules. These were just some of the war fleet with the Afghanistan Air Force, which is now with the Taliban right now, in Taliban custody right now. So, Deepti, and we also have this another video that we're showing on our screens right now of the US choppers and planes with Taliban. There were more videos as well, Deepti, that had come to the fore in the last 2 weeks, which showed how these choppers were also filled with a lot of assault rifles. There were videos, or in fact, there was one video that had come from Kandahar where you can see Taliban terrorists taking charge, in fact, standing atop a NATO chopper and also saying out loud that we don't know how to use it, we don't know what to do with it. And there was another video that we've seen how a Black Hawk chopper was being taxed in Herat, I believe. So these are just some of the videos that we are getting, which sort of raises an alarm and also raises questions for the United States of America as to why did they leave this entire fleet of choppers and aircraft for the Taliban.
Oh, absolutely. And, you know, Sanika, we are also trying to get in more reactions to this story and this video that, you are putting out and talking us more about. Let me also place some more figures, I think, Sanika, for our viewers to understand what really we are talking about and why this could actually be a main reason for worry. The Taliban now could have about 75,000 vehicles, about 200 airplanes, helicopters, and about 6 lakh small arms and light weapons. Now, the Taliban, viewers, has more Black Hawk helicopters than 85% of the countries in the world. I mean, understand what really we are talking about. And all this actually has come at a price. Now, at a point where you're looking at America's Kabul deadline, details of which also flashing on your screens right now, a little more than 24 hours for America, Sanika, to withdraw all its troops from Afghanistan. But the key question is, what was the hurry to leave all these weapons with the Taliban? I mean, isn't that a question that the US will be asked, Sanika? Not sure if Sanika can actually hear me, but let's, play out that video one more time for our viewers, where you again get a sense of what we are talking about. This is the whole that the Taliban has of the weaponry. And this time we are focusing on the US choppers and planes that are with the Taliban. And as I said, remember, about 200 airplanes and helicopters, about 6 lakhs small arms and light weapons, about 75,000 vehicles.